They ask me if veggies can really fuel me, but I've never felt stronger. I've got all that I need. Chickpeas and lentils, beans and whole grains. And yes, I eat burgers, just no one feels pain. I'm plant-powered, thriving each day. Plenty on my plate, living life this way. Heart's feeling healthy, conscience is clear. Powered by plants, our message is clear. Eye in the legumes, nuts and leafy greens, building strength daily, powered by being plant-based, sassy sizzling. Yeah, it feels right. No cholesterol, worries, still tasty each bite. I'm plant-powered, thriving each day. Plenty on my plate, living life this way. Heart's feeling healthy, conscience is clear. Powered by plants, our message is clear. Sometimes a smoothie, sometimes a treat. Balance is easy without using meat. Energy's soaring, I'm feeling so free. Choosing compassion tastes better to me. I'm plant-powered, thriving each day. Plenty on my plate, living life this way. Heart's feeling healthy, conscience is clear. Powered by plants, our message is clear. I'm plant-powered, thriving each day. Plenty on my plate, living life this way. Heart's feeling healthy, conscience is clear. Powered by plants, our message is clear.
Leave animals alone.
Plant power is here.